What's up guys, what's going on? So this is the first video I'm actually shooting in 2020. We are posting videos still every week, but a lot of those videos I'm still catching up from last year, my trip last summer. I have some Costa Rica videos coming out soon. But I'm also gonna be doing some farm follow-up videos here really soon. We just had our first frost about a week ago. Had 28 degrees for about 6 hours, so we definitely have some damage in the exposed areas, a little bit of damage on the edge. This is that old Jack Frost jackfruit. You can see it's got some little bit of brown leaves on it, a couple that look a little bit rough. Top's pretty much fine though. Everything in the canopy still looks really good, but we had some damage out in the open fields. But that's not what this video is about. I want to show you guys what's flowering up by the house, and we're going to eat some fruit. Hold tight. So this beauty right here with the long leaves is the white Jaboticaba. We've got a couple of these. This is a smaller 1 gallon, but the new growth on this is just something else. This is the white also right here. And let me show you the gray. Oh, did we get a cat for mice? What are you doing, Mickey? Where's your, huh? Oh. There's Tango. This is another one of the white specimens. You can see the longer leaves is a really good sign of the white. And this one was getting overhead irrigation for a while, but all the new growth is coming out really clean. So that'll eventually clean off of there. This is a Grimmel, but not a Grimmel with new growth. So this originated from Grimmel Grove down in the Florida Keys, Mr. Adolph Grimmel himself. And I want to show you the new growth on that. You can see the leaves are a little bit darker, skinnier, longer, at least in comparison to the Sabra. So check this out. And then we come right here and look at the Sabra. You can really see the difference in the length of the leaves. And the reds tend to be a little bit fatter. All right, so this is another Grimmel specimen. And you can see those long leaves, but look at the new growth. Light green, oranges. Really beautiful and tender. And this is a grafted Grimmel. So the other one I showed you was just from seed and probably 4 or 5 years old. So you guys know how much I geek out with Jaboticabas, and I'm up in that zone 1, and by zone 1 I mean permaculture zone 1, very close to my front door, back door of my house. And I keep these in pots by the house, but I've actually just started adding some new ones in the ground, and we have 4 or 5 existing that were already in the ground that do okay. I find the Sabra variety does really well in the ground, and those are most of the biggest ones that I have here on the farm. This one right here I got from a gentleman that was I believe he got it from his father, grew it from seed, so it's like 28, 30 years old. This big Jaboticaba, probably about 12, 15 foot tall. And you could see here that they're all starting to get these little nubs and flower out, and they're looking really, really good. So you can see all the little flower nubs, and if you come over here to this one, same thing. This one's been fruiting the longest for me. And this has little flower nubs all over the base. So I got some fruit. We're gonna eat that for you. You know, Jaboticabas can fruit multiple times per year. The fruit I'm gonna be eating is the Sabra variety. It is very good. I will say there's probably the most tannin type flavor in the skin. So a lot of people have told me they've tried the Sabra Jaboticaba and didn't like it. Give it another try. Try it without the skin. The reds are definitely much better. They have a thinner skin. The Grimmels are much better. They have a thin skin. And we've got some new varieties now, like the Escalarte and the Novak and the Ruby Red, watermelon, all different types of Jaboticabas that are kind of up and coming that you're probably going to hear about and see a lot in the next few years. So ready to see these fruits? All right guys, so just want to give a shout out to my friends over at Miami Fruit. I do grow a lot of Jaboticabas. They're all flowering right now, but they don't have any fruit at this time. And Rain reached out to me. He's like, hey, you want me to send you some Jaboticaba? And I wasn't going to say no. So they've sent me some fruit today, and you know, thank you again for that. And something I want to point out to them, since I've become good friends with Rob Greenfield, you know, one of my kind of pledges for 2020 was less waste, really watching the waste stream, watching trash, and something that I've noticed that Miami Fruit's done, especially since I've ordered my last box, they've went to natural and recycled materials on the inside. So I did another video with them before with the Monstera. That was originally wrapped in plastic, as you can see, biodegradable, compostable material, coconut fiber now. So shout out to them for that. And just want to let you guys know, like, you know, like I said, one of my kind of goals for this year is less trash and less Amazon. You know, the simplicities in life that are creating all of this trash. And I saw a post recently where you can actually go into your details or your Amazon order and opt for recycled materials only. So check that out inside Amazon. You don't have to get that plastic crap. Try not to order from them. Try to support local when you can. I know it's tough, but just kind of check that stuff out. So I'm gonna call Gavin and his friend Brock's over here, and they're gonna try the Jaboticaba. I think Gavin's tried these before. I know Brock hasn't tried them, so I said, you guys wanna try some fruits? What do you think about this?
It's probably gonna be fun.
good.
It's gonna be good.
Yeah.
All right, so I would suggest picking a really, really firm one. And we're gonna save the seeds, so make sure we put the seeds in that little silver container we have there. And I wouldn't eat the skin. So on this variety, the skin can have a little bit of tannins to it. Yeah, if it's firm, go for it. And you just want to bite into it, and you can eat all the flesh on the inside, and then just save that seed. You know when Gavin's dancing, it must be good. You can throw the. Whoa! He's making noises. Gavin, you can throw the skin over there in the bush. Okay, and then we're gonna put the seed in the little cup. What do you think?
Tastes like a grape. It's pretty good.
And juiciness.
Oh, that is juicy.
Oh!
He's making noises again.
You're good.
Well, that is good.
Delicious? Okay, you guys approve? Do I get the fist pump of approval?
I approve this message.
Oh. All right, all this Jaboticaba eating, I'm gonna get in on that.
Pound dirt.
Gavin said pound dirt. Ooh. Ginger.
Just the pop is so satisfying.
What? All right, Gavin, if you could order these fruits, would you order them?
Yeah.
All right, Brock, come on, man. You got to help me finish these things. Let's go.
Eat all of them?
Yeah, we got a lot to eat here.
We can?
Well, yeah, we can eat half of that.
I'm gonna eat all of them.
What do you guys know about these seeds? You know we're going to grow them, right?
The best thing about it is when you eat more, the more comes.
Oh, yeah? Should we let Ginger try one?
Yeah.
Ginger, come here.
Let's just make sure she doesn't eat the seed unless it's gonna grow in it. It's gonna grow in it.
Sit. Hold on. I'm going to crack it for you. Oh. What kind of dogs do you guys know that eat Jaboticaba? What? She ate the whole thing? Look, she's licking my fingers clean. That might have been a bad idea. I do not want Ginger to get a fond taste for Jaboticaba. She might be stripping my trees, so whoops. All right, you guys down? What do you think?
That was good.
Good?
It was good.
Pound dirt.
I just ate a seed.
I won't.
It isn't.
All right, what a sweet treat that was. I hope you guys enjoyed this quick video. If you want to try some Jaboticabas or fruit from Miami Fruit, I'll leave a link in the description down below. Don't forget, if you liked this video, please go ahead and do so. If you haven't subscribed to the channel, please go ahead and do that. Hit that bell to stay notified, and most importantly, pound dirt.